Agal the classroom.
The Lion's Lesson in Unity. In the heart of the savannah, a wise lion named Leo ruled over the animals. One day, drought struck, and water became scarce. The animals grew anxious, fearing the worst. Leo called a meeting, urging unity. "Let's dig a well together," he suggested. But prideful bickering ensued among the animals, each wanting credit for the idea. The well remained untouched. Seeing this, Leo decided to set an example. He began digging tirelessly. His dedication shamed the animals, sparking a change of heart. Slowly they joined in, realizing the power of unity. The well was completed, and water flowed freely again. The animals learned that pride and selfishness could lead to disaster, but unity could overcome any challenge. Leo's humility and determination taught them a timeless lesson. Together, even the mightiest of challenges could be conquered. And from that day on, the animals of the savannah lived in harmony, never forgetting the lion who united them.